Anyone who rides often knows cycling can throw a lot your way, from safety risks and low visibility at night to worrying about stolen bikes or running out of energy mid-ride. Coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories come in, each made to boost comfort, efficiency, and safety while you are out on the road. So gear up, stay tuned, and see which one ends up being your new favorite. Picture heading out for an early morning ride with a powerful tail light that keeps you visible from nearly every angle. The Night Rider Sentry Aero 260 delivers wide 260-degree illumination and packs a bright 260-lumen output for both daytime and nighttime rides. With 6 lighting modes, including a daylight flash, it adapts easily to changing conditions. Its sleek aerodynamic build fits perfectly on standard or Aero seat posts and weighs just 65 grams, so it stays light and unobtrusive. Fully rechargeable through USB, it offers run times from 4.5 up to 30 hours, depending on how you use it. Getting ready for a weekend ride? Pack up with the Gazelle Deluxe Double Pannier, a sleek storage solution offering a roomy 37 liters of space for all your gear. Built from tough, water-repellent fabric, it keeps your essentials dry when the weather turns. Reinforced sides and a sturdy base protect delicate items, while a smart MIK mounting system locks it securely onto your rear rack with zero wobble. Reflective accents boost visibility in low light, blending safety with style for cyclists who want function without sacrificing looks. Riding through the city, the Kryptonite Evolution 790 folding lock keeps your bike secure without weighing you down. Its 5.4mm hardened steel links offer strong protection in a compact design, while the 360-degree rotating lock head makes securing your bike in tight spaces simple. A tough rubber coating prevents scratches, and the click-tight bracket lets you carry it quietly and reliably. At 90 centimeters long and weighing just over 3 pounds, it is strong yet portable, e-bike approved, and comes with 2 keys plus eligibility for Kryptonite's anti-theft protection, giving peace of mind wherever you lock up. Getting your tubeless tires ready is simple with the Lezyne A1 Pro Tubeless Chuck. Its 90-degree angle lets you reach valves in tight spots effortlessly, and its durable machined aluminum and composite construction ensures it lasts ride after ride. Flip the chuck to fit different valve types and use the built-in tool on the back to tighten or remove valve cores without hassle. Weighing just under 8 grams, it barely adds anything to your kit. At around $7.59, it is an affordable, practical tool for keeping your tubeless setup running smoothly. Stay aware of traffic behind you with the ESPION 80 bike mirror, which lets you check your surroundings without turning your head. Its sleek design blends neatly with your bike, while the adjustable arm helps you find the perfect angle. The convex mirror gives a wide field of view, making it easy to spot approaching cars or fellow cyclists. Installation is simple, and it holds steady even on rough roads. Perfect for city commutes or weekend rides, it adds extra awareness and confidence to every journey. Imagine always knowing where your bike is, no matter how far it travels. The DOTS.Bike system makes that possible with smart, real-time tracking that attaches neatly to your seat post. It doubles as a brake and rear light to keep you visible and adds security with instant alerts and a loud alarm if anyone tampers with your ride. Even in case of a fall, it sends notifications and emergency messages to your chosen contacts. You can monitor your own rides, keep tabs on your kids' cycling routes, and create safe zones, all from a simple, easy-to-use app that keeps your peace of mind rolling right along. Love hitting the trails after dark? Light up every path with the Olight Gotorch X, blasting out 2,000 lumens that turn night rides into bright, clear adventures. It mounts easily to your handlebars or helmet using GoPro-style fittings, giving you flexible setup options. The battery pack goes beyond just powering the light. It doubles as a power bank for charging your phone or GPS while you ride. When you stop, the 100-lumen low mode keeps you safely visible without draining too much power. Powerful, adaptable, and built for late-night explorers, this light keeps your ride shining strong wherever you go. Ever wonder how much power each pedal stroke really delivers? The Arofly Power Meter breaks it down for you with precise, real-time measurements that track your true output instead of relying on heart rate data that can change for many reasons. Setup is quick and simple, and it pairs easily with most bike computers. By detecting tiny tire pressure changes, it calculates your power whether you're cruising on flat roads or grinding up steep climbs. Perfect for riders aiming to boost their performance without overspending or dealing with complicated gear. Serious about keeping your bike safe? Limpet brings next-level protection with a loud alarm, flashing strobe lights, and instant alerts that kick in the moment someone tampers with your ride. The noise alone is enough to send thieves running, while the real-time notification makes sure you know what's happening right away. Its smart design locks securely in place, whether mounted through the seat clamp or bolted elsewhere, and it only responds to your unique Bluetooth identification. There's even an SOS function that shares your GPS location during emergencies. Tough, clever, and packed with security features, Limpet keeps your bike protected and your mind at ease. Out on the open road with your gear packed and ready, the ORTLIEB back roller panniers keep everything secure and dry no matter the weather. Made from tough, waterproof Cordura fabric, they shield your belongings from rain and dirt with ease. Each bag holds 23 liters of space and features a roll-top closure along with a waterproof pocket for smaller items. The Quick Lock 2.1 system snaps on and off smoothly, fitting racks up to 16 millimeters wide. Reflective details add visibility when light is low, blending safety, convenience, and rugged reliability for every ride. Heading out for a weekend ride, the Wahoo ELEMNT Ace sits right on your handlebars, ready to guide you with a bright 3.8-inch touchscreen that responds like a smartphone. Its built-in wind sensor gives live feedback on wind speed, helping you adjust your effort on the go. With a long-lasting 30-hour battery, it keeps up with extended rides, and extra touches like a digital bike bell and wireless syncing through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it practical as well as high-tech. At $599.99, it may be an investment, but the mix of features and ease of use makes it a top pick for dedicated riders. Hitting the road with the Canyon Disruptor CFR helmet brings next-level comfort and protection. The high bar system swaps traditional straps for rigid arms that keep the helmet perfectly positioned while cutting wind noise. Its aerodynamic, wind tunnel-tested shape and well-placed vents keep you cool, while a micro-adjustable dial lets you fine-tune the fit on the go. There's even space for Canyon's flash magnetic rear light for added visibility. With the MIPS safety system built in, it balances protection and comfort effortlessly. At $279.95, it delivers performance and security for serious riders. Cycling home after dark is safer with the Trek Commuter Pro RT front light guiding the way. Its kind beam technology shines brightly on the path ahead without blinding others, delivering up to 1,000 lumens for excellent visibility on even the darkest streets. Wireless connectivity pairs it with a rear flare RT light, letting you control both with a single button. Built tough and easy to mount, it stands up to daily use. While the battery lasts about an hour and 30 minutes on high, the combination of power, smart design, and reliability makes it a solid choice for safer night rides. Strap on the Virtus X1 Smart Helmet and take your rides to the next level with built-in tech. A 2K camera records every journey at 30 frames per second, while GPS tracking and an SOS emergency feature boost safety. Wraparound lights shine at 260 lumens, keeping you visible in traffic, and the weatherproof, dust-proof design ensures it stands up to all kinds of conditions. The Virtus X1 is available for pre-order for $239.99. That wraps up our look at 14 of the coolest bicycle gadgets and accessories. Which one caught your eye? Drop your favorite in the comments. Give the video a like and share to support us. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.